I never thought growing up that there were so many people who could be interested in art because I always felt like the weird art kid who was doodling.
Hey everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel.
Through YouTube, I found out that there's so many other people who are interested in the same thing. My name is AmandaRachLee, and I create videos all about drawing and doodling and lettering and calligraphy.
I was super excited to work with Amanda for this experiment because I had already been following her videos at home when I was learning hand lettering and doodling. My name is Jane Friedhoff, and I'm a creative technologist with the Google Creative Lab. So we know that millions of people come to YouTube specifically to learn how to do stuff like draw. When you're drawing from somewhere like YouTube, you probably are looking at a screen and then looking down at what you're doing and then looking back at the screen and down at what you're doing. And there's a little bit every time that gets lost in translation. So we've been playing a lot with AR Core lately, which allows you to put things, objects, videos, images on surfaces. How cool would it be if we could make basically AR tracing paper? So we prototyped it and it turned out to be pretty fun. So here's the AR app. It's pulling your videos from YouTube. All you have to do is tap one and then hold it up. So you can place that video down on any of the flat surfaces. And another thing you can do is you can actually make it kind of see-through, so the paper and the video actually going away.
Oh yeah, this is so cool.
I love it. Amazing. And the beauty of making YouTube videos is that I'm able to teach and connect with millions of people, but I do wish that I was able to really sit down one-on-one with someone. So with the technology, people will really be able to feel like they're learning from a real-life person instead of just from video.
It was really great working with Amanda. Even over just an afternoon of talking, I feel like there's already so many more avenues that we can think of. I really hope developers get excited by this experiment and pick up some of the techniques and best practices that we've learned, because there's so much more to do with it. So this is something we're still experimenting with. You know, this is just an early step in thinking about how video creators can use AR to really reach their audiences.
I think that personal connection is huge with teaching and learning, especially on YouTube. Viewers will be able to feel like I'm sitting next to them, teaching them how to draw or doodle. And that's the best part about what I do, because if I could inspire someone to pick up a pencil and doodle in their everyday lives, then it makes everything worth it.